Hello friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the third and final card design for the Magnolia Mood Bundle. This is going to be our card that we're going to be creating today. I also want to remind you that the Magnolia Mood is in the last chance section of the online store. You can still get it, but it's first come, first serve at this point. So I am inking up my Magnolia Blossom with Pretty Peacock, and with my Granny Apple Green blends marker, I am coloring in the leaves. And what else did I want to tell you? I did want to tell you that for whatever reason, if you bought the bundle in Canadian funds, it's going to be $75.50. But if you bought the stamps and dies together or like separately, it's only going to be $46.70. So that's a $28.80 difference. I'm not sure why the bundle is not discounted, but yeah, you can get the stamps and the dies for like under $50. So hopefully if you're interested in this really cute bundle, and now you have a couple of different ways of using it, maybe you'll consider purchasing it. So that banner comes from the Stylish Shapes dies. I used the Pretty Peacock ink for that. So this painted texture 3D embossing folder is also on the retiring or the last chance list. And that was, I think, about 2 3/4 inches by 5.5 inches. And I'm just flanking the sides with some pattern paper. I don't think we're selling this anymore, but at the time that I created this card, it was still viable. So I just needed a piece of some blue, a pretty blue, and I have about a 1/4 inch piece here that I'm going to adhere right in the middle as well. So just a few strips of pattern paper, or as Stampin' Up demonstrators like to call it, DSP, Designer Series paper. And I'm going to put that in the middle of my card base, and then I'm going to adhere the happy birthday sentiment in the middle, or sorry, in the bottom of the card, the bottom third. I will be placing all of this on a Granny Apple Green card base. So, and of course I'm using my favorite adhesive. This is Seal Plus. Seal Plus is very sticky. Things won't come off your card if you use this adhesive, but you might lose your mind trying to get it out of the container because it's so sticky. I always say I have a love-hate relationship with it because sometimes it doesn't want to come out, or it's so sticky that it tears the paper. So you do have to be cautious and, go with the flow. Okay, so I'm just burnishing the scored edge there, and I have colored, and of course I probably breezed through that. I colored and die cut all of the flowers from my stamping, and so now I'm just going to run them up the middle. And again, I used the iridescent gold foil embellishments. I think that's what they're called. I always forget there's always the iridescent foil gems. They're really pretty, actually, and they are current, so you can still get them. Really nice. As a matter of fact, the last paper pumpkin kit came with them as well, so I have extra. Anyway, that is my card for today. I'll put a link to the last chance products in the link below, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.